What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is GB Merce. I just saw it in my email. This was at approximately, I'm going to look at my phone, I think it was 9:45 or 9:52. ETrade has been about eliminating barriers for traders and investors. Now they're eliminating one more. They're keeping up with the competition. On Monday, October 7th, we will enjoy $0 online equity commissions and exchange listed US stocks, and $0 online ETF commissions, $0 online options commissions. And they also said, of course, you'll continue to get intuitive and easy to use online and mobile tools, the top rated options trading platform, and exceptional service from financial professionals 24/7. They also said ETrade may be the #1 online broker, but will never stop pushing and delivering more value to you. That's awesome, because I have almost $10,000 of stocks in ETrade. I really like ETrade. Anytime there's any issues, I go in the chat room and chat with those guys, and I also discuss with them over the phone if there's problems, if there's issues with the DRIP or dividend reinvestment plan with my monthly dividend stocks or my ETFs or anything, or quarterly ETFs. These guys have been fantastic. They've always been professional. I'm really glad that I chose ETrade over the years, the past 2 years with my dividend stocks. They have very good evaluations on stocks. They bring up Morningstar on there. They bring up all the reputable websites that give you ratings. I will give you a rating, and I will show you a walkthrough on ETrade in the future, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and stay on my channel. Make sure you hit the bell as well. So here's the thing. ETrade is keeping up with the competition. Their rivals decided to be $0 commission free, and now ETrade is commission free. So all these websites are starting to compete with each other, and companies are starting to compete with each other. And when one thing does one thing, everybody else counters to keep up with the competition. I think this is a great move by ETrade. I can tell you, I made so many trades over the years. It'd be like $4 a trade and stuff, and buying stocks. But I'm sure they're going to make money either by advertisement or, probably advertisement, because more and more people will be on ETrade. So that'll help. I'm not sure how they make their money. I'm sure people will be buying and investing stocks. So I'm pretty sure ETrade has their own symbol and their own stock that people trade as well. So this is a website you might want to consider when you start buying stocks. I have my dividend portfolio in there. I have, I think, I'd have to look, at least 12 or 13 dividend stocks on there, and I have a dividend portfolio in my M1 Finance account. I have an Acorns account. I'm probably going to bring or roll over my IRA into my 401k, or have my own IRA on ETrade now. I'm really excited to see what I can potentially do with ETrade because of the $0 commissions. I just decided to make some trades. I just sold, I wish I would have done this today, but I sold about close to, I could probably show you guys tomorrow if you follow my channel. I think it was about $4,500 worth of SPHD, which I'm going to throw in tomorrow. So of course with ETrade you got to wait like a few days, to make sure that everything's traded well. But ETrade, these guys have been fantastic over the phone. Their customer service is fantastic. I'm on the phone with those guys. If there's issues, they'll tell me sometimes, hey, do you want to look at this? Let me get one of my so-and-so on the phone. We'll go over the stock. They'll explain everything in detail. And, they help you stay laser focused on your plan. Some of them are very professional over the phone. They say, what's your plan? Have you considered an IRA with the way you invest in stocks? And it kind of leads you in the right direction with what you're looking for. So this is something that you might want to consider. They're keeping up with the competition. It's a really good website. They do stock evaluations on all the stocks that I have. Either they'll bring up Morningstar and the ETFs, or they'll bring up other websites, and it'll tell you if you need to buy, hold, or get rid of certain things. As you can hear, there's a train in the background. But I want you guys to capitalize on this opportunity with ETrade, with the $0, with the ETF commissions and the equity commissions. Just remember, when there's competition, the competitor follows. So that's my gig. I was going to pick up a few shifts tonight, a few hours for my shift, so I can throw in some more dividend stocks. But you know, I'll take my PTO hours and my standby pay being a nurse, and I'm looking forward to buying O tomorrow. I've had my M1 Finance account for a while, but I really wanted to, with the way SPHD was looking, I didn't like it. I put some money in before. It went from, I think, 5-star rated on Morningstar to 4-star. I just didn't like the direction. And I'm looking at buying SPLV, which is a really good Invesco stock. But I cannot wait to buy O. I want you guys to look into O for the monthly dividend stock. That should be your mothership, okay? For your monthly dividend stocks, O should be the one that you look for. I will do a huge detailed review on O. If I have an opportunity to interview somebody from O, I will get that on my channel. That should be, you know, again, I'm not a licensed professional, but that should be your #1 dividend stock that you should look into. It's a real estate investment trust, and that will be on ETrade. That will be on my ETrade account, and I might even record it because I'm very excited. I'm throwing that in my dividend portfolio on ETrade and having a lot of stocks in it, since I'm selling a lot of SPHD. All right, you guys have a good night. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and you might want to consider ETrade. You guys have a good one.